my question for Corvus. Corvus, not specific to the match. I want to know about growing up as a boy on the farm. How did that help develop your work ethic, your determination, your strength as a rugby player?
Uitland. Yeah, look, I hope we don't take this farm boy thing totally out of proportion. But yeah, I think growing up on a farm, you obviously, like I've said before, you work until the work's done. So there's no quitting time. The sense of responsibility that you have, there's a lot of factors in farming and stuff like that. So I think, yeah, it's probably molded me more as a player rather as a person rather than a player. And I think other players have same kind of values with how they are brought up, and at the end of the day you have to have a strong work ethic to make it in rugby. So yeah.